Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to tell Izuku how I feel. I just hope it's not too late. Izuku! Huh? Is that Uraraka and Izuku? What are they doing together? Oh well. Excuse me. Am I bothering you guys? I saw y'all talking and I didn't want to be rude. So, Izuku, I have something to tell you, and I wanted to tell you for a very long time, and I finally made my mind and built enough courage to say that I, 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 um, you practiced this like 20 times, just spit it out. I like you, and I'm okay with that. You've always been the best to me, and I don't know. What's that? Uraraka already told you how she felt about you? Oh, that's okay. You were thinking about getting with Uraraka. Sure. Go ahead. No, I'm okay. No, we can stay friends. Yeah. I gotta go to class, Don't want to fail that test that will have for us next Tuesday. Bye. He's getting with Uraraka. Why didn't I tell him sooner? I'm such a failure. I knew something was drawing me to him, and I didn't go after it. No. I told him how I feel, and I got shot down by Uraraka. I can't do her like that. She's my best friend. I'll just try to be happy for them and manage something because I'm good friends with them. And I don't know. I didn't expect it to go like this. I should have known. Not everything good happens in everybody's life. I hope there's another opportunity